Kate's final wedding. We're getting pretty good at this, so we thought we would include the rest of the attendants in all the fun. We have a few gifts for you to help your marriage along the way, things we feel every couple needs to survive. And we start with something that already represents you as a couple, a friendship bracelet. Because that is where you started as friends. There's also a rainbow, which will provide you with diversity within your family and your relationship, and something that every friend in this room represents. Everyone here loves you for who you are.
All right, the second gift we give is a cell phone. Who has the cell phone? Okay. Which will help you to listen to each other with open minds and hearts.
Wrong number?
You need 2 cell phones.
And then the third gift is a key. Who has the key? This key represents your trust in each other and the openness you share as partners in your life together. Remember that trust is a promise, and the gift you give each other, and it should never be taken for granted.
Here's my outfit. Yeah, we already got
The fourth gift we give you is a remote control to remind you to compromise. It is always important that your spouse be given an option and a say, and even the little decisions in your life, not just the big ones. Remember that you're a team.
Better in the early years.
The fifth gift we give are tissues. Go, 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 go. To remind you to always have compassion and understanding, even in the hard times. Be each other's rock, support, and shoulder to cry on.
The sixth item we give is a book. This book represents your family, and it is so you can share with your daughter Eve your time as mommies and show her that you three are a family unit, strong, fun, and unbreakable.
The seventh gift is a mirror, which represents respect. Respect means to look back on or even re-look. Have respect for each other at all times in your decisions and in your lives. And remember that you give what you get.
Did you say housewarming?
You gotta watch that, Richie.
Wait a minute. Hold on one second.
We're sharing one of your property.
The eighth gift is wine, and it better not be open. This gift is for laughter and fun. Something not sure the two of you need help in, but a reminder never hurts.
We have some holes in the cellar for this party.
The ninth gift is a penny. This penny is for luck because, let's face it, sometimes the two of you need it. And our 10th gift is that of a kiss, or many kisses. This kiss represents the love and tenderness that you share, and above all other gifts, you must practice love every day. Because as friends, partners, lovers, and companions, this is the gift you have promised each other today.
Aww.
toast.
I don't have a drink.
I don't have a drink, but
I don't have a drink.
to a happily ever after that is
You want a
filled
beer?
with
Yes.
friendship, open minds, trust, compromise, compassion, family, respect, laughter, luck, tenderness, and love. Congratulations on your marriage. We love you.